This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany. Share daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. There is no consistency in systematic trading because you're not part of the process. Progress will only take place if you're willing to put in the work. Take one step toward the market, and the market will take 10 steps towards you. Okay, so we're going to move over and take a look at our charts. And as usual, we're going to just do some housekeeping. Um, we're going to go over our 4 rules of trading. First rule of trading is always make sure you pay your sales first. Second rule of trading is that we're going to drop in a stop loss at the entry point. Once the market takes off, we're seeing some good profit, drop that stop loss in. Okay, not before. Okay, our third rule of trading is our 50 period simple moving average. That is our buy sell indicator. Now, when that buy sell indicator is positioned in between the 200 and the 500, that is our no buy, no sell zone. And our fourth rule of trading is patience. So, if everyone to get their charts open here, we're going to just quickly breeze through here. Okay, so as usual, we're going to start with EUR USD. And you might want to write these because I do the charts in the same order every single day. So if you want to get your charts in order, and we can quickly go through our charts, okay? So EUR USD, this market has been in our been positioned where we're not able to buying or any selling because of rule number 3. So take a look at your chart, see how the 50 period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and 500. That is the danger zone. So we do no trading, placing any orders within that when the 50 period moving average is within those zones. Okay. GBP USD. Okay, this particular chart as well, no buy, no sell while it's in our 50 period moving average in this zone. USD, CHF. Okay, so friends, this was a buy market. We had our buy order, our buy stop order in place. The market continued to pull back on us, so it never did hit our buy order. So we're doing rule number 4. We're going to be patient. The trend is still a buy market. It's still a buy market, but because of the pullbacks, it did not hit our buy order. So we're just going to be patient and we're going to wait. USD, JPY. Okay. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're staying out of that market. EUR, CHF. This is another market for everyone who's currently not in this particular market. Rule number 3 applies. Now, everyone else, a lot of us got in early on, and so we're going to be paying ourselves off of this market. So we like to get in when the trend starts. We jump in when that trend starts and we let it ride. Okay. And so that's what we did. We got in early and we're going to pay ourselves now today off of this market. And we have our stop loss in at our entry point. So our trade is protected and we just pay ourselves every day off of this market. Now, for everyone else, rule number 3 is in effect. You missed your window. Okay. You'll have another opportunity to get in later. EUR GBP. Okay, this is also another market. This is a buy market. We had our buy order in, pull back. The market pulled back on us, so we're just going to wait around to see if the market should rally. So one or two things is going to happen, friends. Either the market's going to rally, we're going to see some good profits, or the market's going to continue to fall, trend will change, then we'll have to take a minor loss. But we'll hold our trade until the market says that the trend has changed. Okay, that's the only time that we pull out that we know for certainty. No guesswork. The market will tell you that the trend is no longer a buy, it's a sell. So that takes all the guesswork out of it. So we'll pull out our buy order and we'll reposition with our sell order and make back our monies. And we're usually taking minor losses 2-3 times a month. Okay, but I think we took a loss yesterday. So, okay. EUR JPY, but we are paying ourselves every day. So We pay ourselves. It makes up for the minor losses that we have to take occasionally. It's part of like paying rent. Okay. EURJPY. This is also another buy market. The market pulled back on us. We have our buy order, our buy stop order waiting, waiting for the market to rally. So we're just got to be patient. Okay. GBP, CHF. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We have our sell order in, but the market pulled back on us. So we're going to have to wait. We have to be patient. Okay, we're day traders. We come back every evening and see how we fared the previous, that previous day. So these are, we look at our charts every evening. So this particular evening, the market hasn't really done much. It's kind of like at a stalemate. I don't think it's been much movement since yesterday. But this is still a sell market, and we just have to be patient. GBP, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're holding on to that one. No, we're not getting into that particular market. CHF, JPY. This was also a buy market. We have our buy order in, and we're waiting to see if things should rally. And so we just have to be patient. We're just hanging out, waiting on the market. And so we have total confidence that the market will tell us when the trend changes, then we'll go ahead and pull out. But right now, we're totally confident that this is still a buy market because the chart says it's a buy market. Okay. Okay, so now let's take a look at our oil markets. We talked about these the other day. You know, let's start with Brent crude. These markets were all buy markets, but the market pulled back. There was a lot of pullbacks that are happening in the oil markets. And like I was mentioning before, there are a lot of different strings that are pulling on these markets. Okay. And as traders, we are not privy to all the ins and outs of what's happening behind the scenes that is moving these markets. But what we do have in front of us is charts. If our chart says that it is still a buy market, we stay the course. The market will let us know that if there's enough pullbacks, sometimes there's enough pullbacks that will actually cause the trend to change. In that note, the market will tell us that the trend has changed, and subsequently, we will make that change ourselves. Okay. So right now with these oil markets, it has not hit any of our orders because they continue to pull back. That includes Brent crude and Brent spot. Those markets have continued to pull back. Now, we talked about WTI crude. Now, those markets are going to sell. We pulled out our buy stop order. We're going to reposition, and I hope you guys got your sell stop orders in there. Repositioning with your sell orders, your sell stop orders. And that goes for WTI crude and WTI spot, okay? Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So for everyone who's currently not in this market, rule number 3 is in effect. I'm not sure how many are still in here with your buy orders, but rule number 3, the ones who are still in these markets, who got in or who chose to buy these markets, you're going to be paying yourselves, okay? Pay yourselves on this buy market. Everyone else who did not get in these markets, rule number 3 is in effect. Okay, ETH USD. Okay, this is another market. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who is not in the who is not currently in this market. Everyone else who had their buy in early on, who chose to get in early on, pay yourselves. Okay, if you're still in there. LTC USD. Rule number 3 is also in effect. Okay, everyone who's not currently in it, stay out. We missed our window. Okay, let us take a look at the silver market. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who is currently not in these markets. Rule number 3, we're not getting into them. Okay, and let's take a look at the gold market. The gold market is also this market has gone sell, friends, gone sell. but there are some major pullbacks happening in this sell market. Subsequently, I would suggest no one place a sell order at this time. Like I said, there's a lot of strings that are being pulled, a lot of things happening behind the scenes that are pulling on these currency markets. Okay, right now, stay out of this particular market right now. USD MXN. Okay, this is a sell market. So, those of us who are still in this market, make sure you pay yourselves off of this market. This is a sell market. And have your stop loss at your entry point so you're totally protected. So, you're just paying yourselves every day. EURNOK. This is a buy market. I'm not sure who's still in this market. I was in it at one time. The market pulled back, knocked me out the market because it hit my stop loss at my entry point. But this is a buy market. If you want to get back in, go with a buy stop order, okay? EURZAR. This is another buy market, friends. We're going to pay ourselves off of this market today. Okay, pay yourselves. Make sure your stop loss is in at the entry point. In the event the market heads south, your trade is protected. USD NOK. This is another market, friends. We are buying. We're going to be paying ourselves off of today. Our stop loss is in at our entry point. Okay, USD SEK. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. Okay, we're not in that one. USD SGD. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. Buy stop orders only if you're getting in this market. Okay, buy stop orders only. We're in it, but we have our buy stop order in. So we're just waiting patiently. USD ZAR. This is also another buy market where we got our buy order in there. We're just waiting patiently for things to rally in this buy market. Okay. Have your buy stop ready in there. Okay. CAD, CHF. Okay, friends, this was also the market switched to a buy here, but because of the major pullbacks that are happening in this particular market, the trend is changing. But there's still pullbacks happening. I would say not to place anything as of right now. Okay, any new orders in this market. CAD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect for those who are currently not in this market. Okay, everyone else we got in early, and so we're going to be paying ourselves off of this market today. Okay, EURCAD. Okay, this is a okay. So friends, this particular market, um, we were in it initially very early with our buy order. We've been buying it, paying ourselves. But now the trend has changed to a sell market. But because of the pullbacks that's happening in this market, we're not going to place any sell trades at this time. We still have our buy order that's still open that we're still profiting from, and we're still paying ourselves off of. Okay. GBP CAD. Rule number 3 is in effect for those who are not currently in this market. Everyone else, you pay yourselves, okay? If you have a large enough account, you can have a little bit larger lot size and where you can pay yourself a lot every day, okay? USD CAD. But if you don't, if you have a very small account, then you don't have the luxury to do that. So stay safe. Okay, USD CAD. This market has turned to a buy. We've been buying this market for a very long time. We're paying ourselves. If you want to get back into this market, it will be buy stop orders. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, this is another market, friends, that the trend changed on us the other day. We had to go ahead and take a minor loss off of this market and reposition with our sell order. So hopefully you got your sell order in place. AUD CHF. This market went to sell, friends, and hopefully I think we talked about this yesterday. The market was going to sell, so place your sell stop orders, okay? AUD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect for those who are not yet in this market. Everyone else who got in early, we got in early. We're going to be paying ourselves off of this market today. AUD, NZD. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. Where I'm not in it. We missed our. I'm not sure who is, but I missed my opportunity to get in there, so I'm out that market. I have to wait until our 50 period moving average is not in that danger zone. AUD, USD. This is also another market. Rule number 3 is in effect. Rule number 3 and 4: no buy, no sell, and just let's use patience. EUR, AUD. Okay, this, friends, was a sell market where the trend changed to a buy. And we talked about this a little bit yesterday. We had to pull out our sell order, pull that out, reposition with a buy. Okay. EUR, NZD. This is a buy market. We placed a buy order the other day. We are seeing some nice profits. We're going to be able to pay ourselves off of this market today, friends. Now, make sure you put in your stop loss at your entry point, okay? Good. This is a good day. We got a new market that we're going to be able to get paid for, in addition to the other markets we're getting paid from. GBP, AUD. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're out that one. GBP, NZD. Okay, friends, this is another buy market we got in, I think, last week. And so we're seeing some good profits. We got our stop loss in at our entry point, and we're going to pay ourselves today. So hopefully you got in there. NZD, CAD. Okay, friends, this is a sell market. We had our sell stop order in, but the market has been very sluggish, hasn't moved south. So we're just waiting. We're just exercising patience. NZD, CHF. This is a sell market. We're just being patient. We got our sell order in there. It did a little minor pullback, but no worries. We're just going to wait and see what happens tomorrow morning, okay? NZD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. We're not in that one. NZD, USD. This is another market that we are not in. No buy, no sell. And so now let's take a look at the Dow Jones Index. This still is a market, no buy, no sell. And we know what's happening in the market. The economy today is very, very erratic. Very, very erratic. A lot of different things, a lot of strings are being pulled to try to keep the economy up. And so that's what we're seeing in the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. So let's take a look at the S&P 500. Okay, that market too. Rule number 3 is in effect. We're not touching that market, okay? Because we do understand the danger zone and what's behind the danger zone. Because there's so many things that's trying to pull the market up, okay? U.S. Tech Index. This is another industry that's in the danger zone. Rule number 3 is in effect. A lot of layoffs is happening in that industry. Okay. Japan Index. Rule number 3 is in effect. We're not in that market, friends. We're out. And then DE30 Index. This is another buy market. We bought this market. We're just waiting to see if things should rally. Okay. We have to be patient. And then UK 100 Index, which will be our last chart. Okay, friends, this is also another buy market. Major pullbacks have happened in this market, and we do understand that there's a lot happening in the markets today. So right now we were in that market. We're out of that market, and we were making really good profits. But then the market went south, hit our stop loss at our entry point, and knocked us out. No loss. Okay. So, friends, that will end our chart analysis for today. We will be back tomorrow for more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.